Hello children, hope you all are doing well. Our today's subject is maths and we are going to learn about different shapes. So let's start with our first poem, part 1, that is let's find the shapes. Children, there are 6 stanzas in the poem and I will explain you stanza wise. Let's begin with the first stanza. A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air, all shaped wedges we could find there. In this stanza, a family has gone for a picnic on Sunday. Where they have gone? They have gone in a farm where they could find fresh air and all shaped wedges. All shaped wedges means like round shape or triangle shape, circle shape, this all shaped wedges. Wedges means vegetables they could find there. Next stanza is when he dug the soil, Motya had found cone-like carrots under the ground. Now who is Motya? Motya is a dog. What he did? He dug the soil and he found carrots under the ground. And the shape of the carrot is like a cone. You can see the picture of a carrot over here. It is having the shape like a cone. Next stanza is Yash brought tomatoes red and round, some long brinjals also he found. What Yash brought from the farm? He brought tomatoes which are red in color and round. Some long. He also brought some long brinjals. Next is Rama caught the cucumbers green and fresh. Some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. Now what Rama got from the farm? She got cucumbers. Cucumbers we can say in Hindi as kakdi or kheera. Okay, so Rama got these cucumbers which are green in color and fresh. Some are straight like cylinders and some are bent. Next is tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gampu and Pussy could pick. Now who is Gampu and who is Pussy? Gampu is a monkey and Pussy is a cat. What Gampu got from the farm? He got tamarind from a tree. Tamarind we can say in Hindi as imli. Okay, tamarind we can say as imli. So tamarind is imli. So Gampu got tamarind from a tree. And what Pussy got? Pussy got a little bit of garlic. Garlic we can say in Hindi as lasun. Your mother must be using this garlic while she must be cooking food. So Gampu and Pussy, they have got tamarind and a little bit of garlic. Let's see the next stanza. Rama roasted rotis, Mama roasted rotis, Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? So Mama, what Mama has done? Mama has made rotis. And what Papa did? Papa has cooked the vegetables. So this is such a nice picnic. They have enjoyed a lot in this picnic. So they are thinking that can they come again for this picnic? So children, you saw in this poem the shapes of carrot that is like a cone and the shape of cucumber that is like a cylinder and the shape of tomato that is like round, or we can say it as spear. Children, do you have heard about these shapes before? No. But you all know about the shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These shapes are called as plane shapes. Now what are plane shapes? Let's see it. Plane shapes are closed and flat figures. Okay, plane shapes are flat. They are closed. Their ends are closed and they are flat. Okay, they are formed by straight lines or curved lines. These plane shapes you can draw on the picture. Okay, or either you can see these plane shapes in your textbook. The picture of square, rectangle. So these are plane shapes which you can see on signs, on some signs, or you can see them on paper, or you can draw it. So these are plane shapes. They are formed by straight lines or curved lines. Now see the example of it. You can see square, picture of square. This square you can see this are formed by straight lines. Another example of circle, this circle is formed by curved lines. Okay, so let's see some example of plane shapes. A sheet of paper. Now you can see a sheet of paper. Okay, this paper is having rectangle shape and they are flat. See the next example of a paper plate. Paper plate, you all know everyone, when you go in the birthday party you get cakes and that cakes are kept on that paper plate. So this paper plate is in circle shape and it is also flat. So the next example of chessboard. Okay, chessboard might be you must be not knowing it, but you know about snake and ladder board. Snake and ladder means in Hindi we say has subsidy which you play. Okay, that board is square in shape and that is also flat. See the another example, that is of bingo chips. So bingo chips is, you all know bingo chips, that is in triangle shape and they are also flat. So these all are examples of rectangle, circle, square, triangle, okay, which are flat. So that's why they are called as plane shapes. So children, that's all for today. In the next video, we'll continue with some other shapes. That means we'll learn about the other shapes in our next video. Thank you children.